Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. To access your diesel filter, you must first remove certain parts. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 2 screws holding the brake fluid reservoir. Then move it aside slightly. Take off the engine cover. Disconnect the air inlet conduit. Rotate it counterclockwise and remove it by wiggling it back and forth. Remove the second part of the air intake duct at the grill. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the clamp of the conduit between the turbocharger and the flow meter. Using Needlenose pliers, compress the 2 edges of the clamping clip to free them from their hold. At the center of this conduit, there is also a connection that must be undone. To do this, pull the white plastic holding spur upwards, and then disconnect the conduit on both sides in order to remove it. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Unplug the connector on the airflow meter. Using a socket wrench and a T30 Torx socket, unscrew the 3 screws that hold the airflow meter duct. Then remove the flow meter. Disconnect the hose by pressing on the white part with a pry bar. Disconnect the electrical connector from the filter by pressing the tab and pulling on it. The last hose is difficult to access. We recommend that you lift the filter slightly to make it easier to disconnect. To remove the filter from its slot, press on the tab on the left and lift the filter. Disconnect the second hose in the same way as the first one. Take a liquid collector for the diesel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Then remove the filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Place it in the liquid collector. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they are identical. One part of the diesel filter does not get replaced. You must recuperate this from the old one. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, lever the filter off, pushing on the casing to remove it. Remove the 2 seals using a flathead screwdriver. Replace them with those provided in the new filter box, making sure you properly oil their surface. Get your hands on the new filter and reinsert the casing into it. Push down firmly to fix it in place. This movement can be a little difficult. Be patient. The assembly of your new filter is now ready. Put the new filter in. Clip the 2 diesel hoses back in. Reconnect the electric connector. Refit the 3 screws holding the airflow meter duct. There is only one position which allows the openings to be aligned with the screws. Plug the connector back on the airflow meter. Put the turbo air supply conduit in place. Reclip the part which goes into the cylinder head cover. Put the air conduit and its clamping clip back in place. Screw the clamp back on. Reattach the second part of the air inlet conduit. Reconnect it to the lower part. Put the engine cover back on. Screw the brake fluid reservoir back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.